Distinguished delegates, colleagues, friends, unfortunately, Simon is unable to be here today. As many of you will know, in the wake of Hurricane Beryl, his home island of Carriacou was devastated. This is but one of many examples across the world where climate change is wreaking havoc. Each and every one of us is affected. But we understand what is happening, thanks to your work. The science is clear, the situation is dire, but there is a lot that we can do. Without the IPCC, there would be no such understanding. Your recent predictions have made it clear. Every degree matters. And they provide a compelling reason for action and for financial flows, both in mitigation and in adaptation. Together with the global stocktake, your insight has been invaluable as we seek to set up the right conditions among all parties to marshal real solutions that leave no one behind. Your conclusions inform policy all around the world. They inform our process, our goals, and this information is saving lives. In the wake of recent disasters, the understanding you provided fueled the conviction to act. In big countries or in small island states, in G20 economies or in the developing world at large, we rely on your frequent updates as we steer negotiations impartially among the parties, but never impartially towards outcome. This was the case last year as we adopted the UAE framework for global climate resilience to guide the achievement of the global goal on adaptation. Just as it is the case this year, as we seek an agreement on a new climate finance goal in Baku next November. We must uphold the science. At this point, delay is the greatest enemy, because the cost of inaction is only getting worse. Success can only be achieved with policy informed by science, in detail and on time. And we encourage you to successfully conclude the strategic planning of the 7th assessment cycle here in Sofia, because the world needs to ramp up action. And the information you provide will add serious value when decisions are made. For example, the scoped out special report on climate change and cities will be essential to inform our deliberations on transformational adaptation. It will provide fundamental insights into the attainment of the human settlements adaptation target. The strong collaboration between the IPCC and the UNFCCC, spearheaded by our secretariats, must continue. And we are grateful for your continued support, because knowledge is power, and you provide us with the knowledge to power up solutions. Thank you very much.